Hello from Söderbysjön lake and this spontaneous nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature in Nacka. It is 5th of May 2026, currently 2 p.m. and we have just 12 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out in a bit how warm it is in the lake Söderbysjön. And yeah, it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. I have gotten here with my Scott gravel bike and it took me 7.5 kilometers, 20 minutes approximately, to get to this nice spot in the nature. There are several nudist beach spots here on this lake, around the lake, and yeah, it's perfectly nice for a swim and to enjoy on a sunny day like this. It's a little bit windy, but still it's decent, I must say. And the lake has warmed up a lot. It's now 14 degrees Celsius in the lake, so it's gonna be a nice swim in the lake for sure. Yeah, beach to number 28 and Söderbysjön this is. It's gonna be changing weather like this in the upcoming days, so we need to make the most out of it when it is sunny. It was also colder a bit earlier in the morning, so it's now nice to be out in the nature when it is a bit warmer in the lake. And you can feel the winds that are blowing right now, which gonna make the swim also a bit colder. So yeah, let's now head into the waters for a in the lake together to continue the beach adventures despite this super strong wind that has appeared out of nowhere now. Yeah, super windy, and it's blowing directly into me. But we're gonna enjoy the nice swim. 14 degrees is actually very warm, I must say, and it's gonna be so nice and refreshing indeed. Okay, let's start going in. Okay, it feels very pleasant, I'm not gonna lie. It's not so cold, and hopefully now the wind has stopped a bit, so it's gonna be perfect. Yes, 5th of May, and the weather in Sweden looks like this, and Chris is again at this nude beach spot in the beautiful Swedish nature. So let's then get going. My hair is like crazy from the wind, so yeah. Okay, are you ready for today's dip? Because I am, and it might be also a bit longer as well. So ready, set, and go! Oh, it's beautiful. It's so refreshing actually. Soon I'm going to start to swim actually longer when it's above 15 degrees. I can make also start a swimming season outdoor in Sweden soon, which is amazing. Beautiful nature all around, as you can see. Stockholm is not just the capital of the Scandinavia, but also, I would say, with its nature, it's one of the greenest cities in the Nordics and also in Europe. So yeah, Chris is gonna enjoy now here and in the sunshine and the soak of the sun. And and it's now time for me. Also this week I'm super busy with Eurovision and I'm posting so many shorts. So if you're a Eurovision fan, check them out also. And if you're a beach fan, you can check many of my vlogs like this one. Not just this one, but also from my trips that I have made recently in Crete, Mallorca and Cyprus. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!